I'm telling you right now. I am telling you right now.
Sir, leave him alone.
Turn over. On your belly. On your belly.
Walking away.
On your belly. I want your arm.
Among the crowd was 61-year-old Renee Gamble, who arrived wearing an inflatable costume and holding a political sign criticizing former President Donald Trump. According to court filings, Gamble was peacefully participating in the protest, and no complaints had been reported by bystanders, drivers, or other demonstrators. That changed when Fairhope Police Colonel Andrew Babb arrived on scene.
What you're supposed to be.
What a pun is?
I want you.
Understand what a pun is?
Let me get another unit over here. I want you to tell me. I want you to tell me why.
Being detained is not. I'm going to go ahead and go this way.
I'm telling you right now. I am telling you right now.
Sir, leave him alone.
Turn over. On your belly. On your belly.
Walking away.
On your belly. I told her to take it off. Give me your arm. Give me your arm.
She's gonna take it off.
Give me your arm. I want your arm now. I need somebody. Give me your arm now.
She was walking away.
I told her to take it off.
Right here. And what ordinance was she in violation of?
It's disorderly conduct.
You could not cite.
It's disorderly conduct.
I checked.
All right, grab this arm.
Walking away. Trying to get away from you. Trying to behave.
Got it. Yep.
15 seconds as he was walking away.
Other arm. Let me have your other arm. Thank you. This is a family town, and I'm not going to have somebody out here dressed like this. You understand? This isn't abusive. Back up. Give us some space. All right. You ready?
She's not breaking the law.
All right, hold on. This way. This way. Bring your knees up. Bring your knees up.
Knees up.
Knees up. And then you're going to sit up. Ready? Sit up. Stand up. Stand up. All right. Come on. I would hate for her grandkids to see her like this.
Our grandkid helped put that on her.
That's a shame. Come on, have a seat. Watch your step.
I can't see anything.
Now, I'd like for her to take this off.
I know, they can't seem to cite an ordinance. They never can.
Where? There you are. Can you see me? Okay.
Now I can.
Sit back. Sit back. Now, what you're going to do...
That's as high as my butt goes.
I understand.
And
Look.
it's cramping my leg.
I know. Listen to me. We're kind of having to fight this suit. So I want you to sit back. You're going to... This leg right here. You feel my leg right here?
Okay.
I want you to raise this leg until it's on mine. There you go. And then you're going to slide straight back in, okay?
Oh, can somebody pull me in? I can't slide because my hands are fixing to bleed from these things.
Stand up. Okay, stand straight up. I'll get her. We're going to rock that over here. All right, come with me.
What are the charges?
Here, you roll that up.
What am I charging?
Get the unlock.
Got it?
Yep.
I ain't got the other side. We might be able to.
Hey, I need you to get back, okay? I need you to get back, okay? I need you to get back. All right, step in. Pick up your foot. There you go. Step in.
Ah, my head! I am an ASL interpreter and my hands are killing me.
Turn around. Turn around. Scoot back in. Scoot back in. Scoot back in.
I am trying.
She's going to help you. The officer is going to help you.
can't.
You gotta get this suit off.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna get the suit out. Come on, step
Can my
out.
person get my suit off?
No, we're gonna take it off of you. Come on, step
Take
out.
the suit off.
All right, uncuff her. All right. Uncuff her and let's take the suit off.
Okay. Y'all mind backing up first, please?
They've not done anything.
I'm gonna take these hands. Okay. That's fine. We're gonna get legal. I got you. You can stand over at the sidewalk right now. You cannot stand this close.
Why not?
Again, for officer safety reasons, you guys gotta back up. I'm her husband. Stay right here. Don't move. Okay. Back up to the sidewalk right now, please. All right, got the handcuffs off. You're gonna take this off.
What's your name?
Aunt Tifa.
Aunt Tifa. Can you tell me where the zipper to this is?
It's in the bag.
Okay. Aunt Tifa, I'm not trying to be difficult with you, ma'am. I'm trying to... No, I'm not trying to violate your freedom of speech. I'm trying to preserve a town that has values. All right, put your head down. Put your head down. We'll come over the top. Put your head down.
I got in. Let me forget.
Okay, all right. You're exactly right.
All right. Let it drop past your feet, okay?
Pull your feet out.
Right here, not below.
Right,
Pull your feet out.
Step out of it.
Pull your feet out.
Oh, wait. What is that? My American flag shoes. What? I'm an American? I'm an American. Who knew?
Hurry up.
Who knew? I have rights. Who knew?
All right. No. Leave that there. We'll take it. Step over.
We'll grab it. All right.
You're going to take my property
Put them.
too?
All right, turn around.
Hey, put them on the front. Put them on the front. They're on the front. Hands in the front.
Fairhope. In Fairhope, a single tax colony, the children have been cheering me on. I walked from
No
Subway.
child's going to cheer you on dressed like
Yes,
a waiter.
they did.
That's because they're children and they're as immature as you are. All right, y'all meet me up at the gym.
Hey, Mom! Hey, Mom! I arrested a penis! Shame on you! Shame on you!
I'll be transporting one female to the jail, starting miles 97130.
Unit 165 joint call.
21 will meet them up there. Do not come into the street. It is illegal to come into the street. Do not come into the street. It is illegal to come into the street. Do not step into the street. It is illegal to step into the street. Do not come into the street. It is illegal to step into the street. Hey, y'all make sure not to come into the road, okay? Just don't come in the road. Okay, thank you. Thank you. That's what we like. Thank you. That's the ticket. one dressed like a friggin' wiener. Come up, and she's wearing a big, gigantic penis costume, and is like, hey, look, you got to take that off. And she was like, take what off? My, freedom of speech or whatever. And I said, that's not freedom of speech. I said, man, this is a family town. And I said, and being dressed like that's not going to be tolerated. I said, it's disorderly conduct. I said, you're setting an example that doesn't need to be set. I said, if my kids were to come by here and see that, what would they, I said, how would you explain it to them? And she said, I'd explain to them that we don't have kings. And I said, that's not what I'm talking about, and you know it. And I said, I need you to take the outfit off. And she went to turn around, walk off, and I said, no, ma'am. I said, come here, I need to talk to you. And she pulled away from me, so I grabbed her and put her on the ground.
Lord have mercy.